In today's world, everyone wants to build wealth, but most people are confused about where to start, how to invest, and how to plan for retirement. Nick Maggiulli's book, The Wealth Ladder, acts as a roadmap that guides the average person in building wealth step by step. It's a simplified guide to financial literacy that anyone can understand, whether you're a college student or a working professional. Nick Maggiulli, the creator of the popular blog of Dollars and Data, explains that there's no one-size-fits-all way to make money. Instead, there's a ladder you must climb, one step at a time. Let's dive into the key insights of the book. Chapter 1. What is the wealth ladder? The wealth ladder is a structured financial framework with multiple levels on the path to financial freedom. Each level requires a different mindset and strategy. 1. Survival. Your focus is only on covering basic needs. 2. Stability. You've developed some income consistency and emergency savings. 3. Savings. You actively start setting aside money. 4. Investing. Your money starts working for you. 5. Freedom. You control your time and work by choice, not necessity. Each step demands a different approach, and Nick provides practical guidance on how to move upward. Chapter 2. Start with survival. If your income barely covers your rent, groceries, and bills, you are in the survival stage. At this level, the goal is to create breathing room by increasing income through side hustles, freelancing, or part-time work, reducing expenses, cutting unnecessary spending, budgeting tightly, avoiding high-interest debt, responsible credit card use, avoiding personal loans. Nick stresses that you can't move to the next stage until your monthly cash flow turns positive. Chapter 3. Stability, breathing room. Stability means you now have a reliable income, a bit of savings, and peace of mind. This stage involves building an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months worth of expenses, getting insured. Health and life insurance are essential. Clearing high-interest debt, such as credit cards or payday loans. This is the foundation of your financial house. Without it, future steps will be shaky. Chapter 4. Saving is a skill. Savings without a purpose is pointless, but the habit of saving is crucial. Nick recommends automating savings, automatic transfers from salary to savings account, 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings investments. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. Don't increase spending just because income rises. This stage sets you up for long-term wealth through the power of compounding. Chapter 5. Investing. Making your money. Investing is the most critical part of building wealth. According to Nick, start early. Time is the most powerful force in compounding. Prefer index funds, low fees, diversified, and steady growth. Use dollar-cost averaging. Invest regularly, regardless of market conditions. Understand risk. Don't avoid it. Learn to manage it. He warns against overcomplicating investing. Simple strategies often yield the best results. Chapter 6. Behavioral finance. It's all in the mind. Financial success is as much about psychology as it is about numbers. Nick discusses common biases. Loss aversion. Fear of losses prevents people from taking good risks. Confirmation bias. People look only for information that supports their beliefs. FOMO. Fear of missing out. Jumping into crypto or stocks without research. Discipline and emotional intelligence are crucial for long-term success. Chapter 7. Career growth. Fuel for the wealth engine. Before investing aggressively, you need a strong income base. Nick advises, invest in skills. High-value skills like coding, sales, marketing, writing. Network wisely, surround yourself with mentors and successful peers. Be open to job changes. Switching roles or companies can significantly boost income. More income means more opportunities to save and invest. Chapter 8. Financial freedom. When money works for you. Financial freedom doesn't mean never working again. It means having the choice to work on your terms. Key components include passive income streams, real estate, dividends, online businesses, calculating your FI number, how much money you need to be financially independent, designing your ideal lifestyle, freedom to choose how you spend your time. This is the ultimate goal of climbing the wealth ladder. Chapter 9. Avoid common mistakes. Nick warns about common traps on the wealth journey. Lifestyle creep. Spending increases with income, leaving no room for savings. Get-rich-quick schemes. Risky ventures promising instant returns often end in loss. Ignoring taxes. Tax planning is essential to maximize investment returns. Avoiding these mistakes requires awareness and patience. Chapter 10. Personalize your wealth ladder. Nick emphasizes that no two wealth journeys are alike. Customize your plan based on age. Younger individuals can take more risks. Older ones should focus on safety. Family background. Strong support systems allow for bolder financial moves. Cultural context. Financial systems and opportunities vary by country. Create a ladder that fits your unique circumstances. Conclusion: one step at a time. The wealth ladder reminds us that there's no magical formula to get rich. Building wealth is a step-by-step journey that requires discipline, patience, and self-awareness. Regardless of where you are financially, you can begin your climb today. Nick Maggiulli teaches us that the path to wealth isn't reserved for the elite. It's available to anyone willing to take the first step. If you're aiming for financial freedom, take the first step on the wealth ladder today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.